Hey guys, again, I'm still Joe. I've been Joe for 72 years. April 20th, 72 years old. But this guy's older than me, but he's also your master mechanic. His name is Paul McCullough. Is that how you pronounce it? And Paul handles the high-end roller skates, Adia boots, roll-line plates. He mounts ice skates for ice skaters. We're going to have a website up connected to his place for anyone that might be interested in getting high-end skating equipment. Either contact me, or once we get the website up for Paul, we'll be able to contact him directly with if you have questions about how to do things. Paul is located in, where is it? Seffner, Florida. He has been involved with USA skates at the national championships for 8 years. 12 years, but who counts among friends? I think he was hand in hand with Arliss Snyder when Arliss invented the Snyder plate back in the 50s for his granddaughter. He knows about equipment. He knows about how they're engineered. If you got high-end skates and want them to perform the best for you, contact Paul. He'll work with you and see what he can do. If he can help you out, I'm sure he'd be happy to talk to you. And once again, I thank you I'm back, and if you got any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for coming back, showing support of my lunacy. Thank you so much. Have a great day.